Hey, so I just wanted to pop on here real quick and kind of give you guys an update of kind of myth busting some of these headlines that have been in the news lately. One of the things that we've been hearing is that, we're at record inventory. That is totally misleading. We do not have record inventory. Um, we are around 23,000 active listings on our MLS right now, which back in 2007, we were over 60,000. So we're nowhere near record inventory. But what we are seeing is that it's a buyer leaning market. And so buyers are buying, they're just not buying super urgently. Um, and in fact, our demand is steadily rising. So that's a great thing. Prices are not crashing. That's another thing that we're hearing in the headlines. We are just stagnant. We've stayed pretty steady for the last 3 years, and that's just kind of helping improve affordability. Another thing that I've been seeing in the news is that, prices look flat, the market's softer. Um, Again, we're not seeing like huge dips in price. Our prices have been staying pretty steady, pretty, stagnant. But what is happening is the terms are very important for buyers. So closing costs, rate buy down, stuff like that is what is, what buyers are pushing for and negotiating for. And then I guess the other broad thing is like when people generalize the Phoenix market, we are not one market. We are many different markets in one area. We have completely different markets based on whether you're in the outskirts of Phoenix or whether you're in one of the interior cities. Price point has a huge determining factor if you're a single family home versus a condo. So it's not just one market. So when you see headlines that just generalize all that stuff, that's something to be pretty cautious about for sure. So, if you have any questions about what's going on in the market, I'd love to have a chat. And again, we can narrow it down to your specific area, your price point, the type of property you have, so that you can have a true idea of what's going on with your type of property.